Your flipped video today is on parabolas. Now some of you, when you see that the flipped video on parabolas, are like, oh, we've already done parabolas so much this year. And while that's true, we've done quite a few parabolas this year, quadratic functions and stuff like that. We haven't done all of the parabolas that there are. Right? We've only done parabolas that open up or down because those are the only parabolas that are functions. Okay? Now we are going to be doing parabolas that open left or right. Okay? The parabolas that open either up or down have a working equation of y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. I know that you know that. We've done that numerous times. Okay? And you also know that if it opens up, then a is positive, and if it opens down, a is negative. Okay? So what you may or may not know is about when things open left or right. Okay? Some of you got quite familiar with parabolas when you did your Desmos project, and I was quite proud of that because you took the initiative to figure out how to do it. Some of you asked me, some of you figured out on your own. It's really going to make this particular conic section much easier for some of you because you did take that initiative to either ask me or find out on your own. Okay? This equation looks like this. X equals, yes, x equals a times y minus k squared plus h. Okay? Now, any ideas what would happen to a if it's opening to the left as opposed to opening to the right? Well, hopefully you see that if this is opening to the right, then a is going to be positive, and if it's opening to the left in the negative direction, a is going to be negative. Okay? Couple more things I want you to know. First of all, the vertex for both of these kinds of parabolas is hk. Okay? And the last thing I want you to really know before you get to class on Monday is where the line of symmetry is. Okay? The line of symmetry. Hopefully you see for a line of symmetry for these kind of parabolas, they are going to be vertical lines. Right? If you know the center is hk, the line of symmetry for this type of parabola opening up or down is going to cross the x-axis at h. So the equation of the line of symmetry for a vertical parabola is x equals h. Okay? For these parabolas, though, it's going to be a little bit different. These lines of symmetry go horizontally. They're not going to be crossing the x-axis, they're going to be crossing the y-axis. Well, knowing that the vertex is at hk, where are they going to cross the y-axis? Well, I hope you see that they're going to cross the y-axis at k, therefore the equation is y equals k. Okay? Any questions on, well, I don't know why I'm asking questions, you can't really ask me. Ask your question in the question comment of the WISC, or question section of the WISC. This is really what I need you to come to class on Monday with at least a basic knowledge of. We can fill this in, we'll fill it in on your worksheet like we have been doing. If you do want some extra credit points on this particular flipped video grade, please, in the summary section, besides the actual summary of this video, please also put the definition of a conic section. We said it many times in class. I want to make sure that you remember it even after a long weekend. Okay? Definition of a conic section. Okay? I hope you have a great weekend, or whenever you watch this, I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you soon to have a great weekend. And I will see you on Monday.